Hi guys, I am Marlene and I am one of the Information Girls, and today I'm going to talk to you about live stream etiquette. We know here on YouTube as content creators, we want people to come to our live streams, but what are the do's and the don'ts for live streams? So as a live streamer, you as the content creator, you want to make sure that you are friendly. Be friendly when people come into your live stream, greet them, say hello. Don't ignore people. Sometimes that's the reason why people will leave. And as a viewer, when you come into someone's live stream, you wouldn't want to be disrespectful. You wouldn't want to spam the person's chat, and you would not want to come into their live stream and tell them, I'm live, come to my live stream, or I made this video, unless it has been okayed by the content creator. We don't want to assume because one live streamer allows you to do something that everybody does. We always want to ask the content creator, be respectful of the content creator and everyone in the chat. Another good thing to do as a viewer when you go into a live stream, greet other people in the chat. Be friendly, be personable. That will also help you as well as a viewer, because people say they're so nice or they always do X, Y, and Z. Maybe people will come to your channel as well. Another thing to do in your live stream as a content creator, don't just sit there. One of the best things to do as a streamer is have some content. Have content, have a topic, have something that you are going to talk about in your stream. That will cause people to stay, because if you just come into a live stream and just sit there and you say nothing, you have nothing to say. All you say is hi and just stare off into space. Most likely people will leave your chat. So this has just been some helpful do's and don'ts about what you should do and what is some live stream etiquette here on YouTube. I am Marlene, and I am one of the Information Girls. And if you're new to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe. We would welcome you here. And as Gio and I say here on the Information Girls, no rumors, just the facts.
Girls, we got the goals, we got strategies where dreams come true. Let's rock this chat, don't need no flag, got a lot of things to keep it tight.